his music, and I'm so excited to be here. There's so many people.
There you go. Awesome. I think you're good, Bobby. Is that good? Look at this. Eli, let me know what. Is it recording right now? My name is Hot, and I'm with Eli right now at the gathering.
The crowd is packed, and we're about to open up for Phil Wickham right now. So make sure you guys see a live. I hope you guys check out. Bye, guys.
A little bit, okay? Can you guys help me out? All right, so when I say I'm alive, I need y'all to say yeah. All right? So let's practice. I'm alive. Yeah. I'm alive. Yeah. All right, let's go. Come on, everybody step with me a little bit like this. Come on. Hey. Bring it on. Early in the morning, wake up out of bed, wiggling my toes, my fingers, my head. Open up my eyes, yawn and take a breath. First thing on my mind, the love it has for me. I can't get enough. Life is such a gift. God made me alive. There's no containing it. I'm alive. I'm so alive. I'm so alive. I'm jumping on the inside. I'm so alive. I'm alive. I'm so alive. I'm jumping on the inside. Listen up for me. Daddy, can't you change me? My life will never be the same.